Hi, this is Hemalatha from Computer Science Department, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Kadalur. In this video, I am going to explain how to design an arithmetic pipeline for fixed point multiplication using carry save adder and carry propagate adder. Before going to design an arithmetic pipeline, I have to give some introduction about carry save adder and carry propagate adder. Carry save adder and carry propagate adders are used to implement arithmetic pipeline. Basically, arithmetic pipeline is used to speed up the arithmetic operations. It is also used to perform arithmetic operations on fixed point and floating point numbers. This is the structure of carry save adder and carry propagate adder. In carry save adder, it will take 3 or more inputs and produce n bit of sum and n bit of carry. In carry propagate adder, it will take 2 inputs and produce n bit of sum and carry out. Let us see an example for fixed point multiplication. After that, I have to explain how to design arithmetic pipeline for this example. Here, multiplicand and multiplier are represented as binary format. We are all known the manual process of the multiplication. The basic concept is if you get a bit value 1 in the multiplier, then the partial product will be same as multiplicand. If you get a bit value 0 in multiplier, then all bits in the partial product will be 0. So in this case, first bit in multiplier is 1. So this partial product is same as multiplicand. Next bit in multiplier is 0. So this partial product is 0. Next bit in multiplier is 0. So all bit in this partial product is 0. Next bit in multiplier is 1. So this partial product is same as multiplicand. So this is the final product. This is done by basic binary addition of these 4 partial products. So this is the manual process of the multiplication. During the multiplication, the first partial product will be placed as same bit position. The second partial product will be shifted by 1 bit position to the left. The third partial product will be shifted by 2 bit position to the left. And fourth partial product will be shifted by third bit position to the left. So this is the basic process. In case system generating these multiplication, this process is done by the shift operation. For shifting operation, systems are using shift registers. So these empty values are filled with zeros like this. So this is the partial products generated by the system. So this shifting operation is done by the shift register. That's why these empty values are filled with zeros. The generated partial products are denoted by P0, P1, P2 and P3. P0 has 4 bit of value, P1 has 5 bit of value, P2 has 6 bit of value and P3 has 7 bit of values. Now I am going to explain how to design an arithmetic pipeline for this example. At the first stage of pipeline design, multiplicand and multiplier are passed to the multiplier recoding logic unit. In this unit, produce all partial products P0, P1, P2 and P3. P0 has 4 bits, P1 has 5 bits, and P2 has 6 bits, P3 has 7 bits. Then these partial products are passed to the carry save adder P0, P1 and P2. Maximum number of bit passed to this carry save adder is 6. That's why it produces 6 bit of sum and 6 bit of carry. these two outputs are passed to the carry save adder along with the last partial product. Maximum number of bit passed to this carry save adder is 7. That's why it produces 7 bit of sum and also 7 bit of carry. So this is the first stage. At the second stage, the output of previous stage, that is 7 bit of sum and 7 bit of carry, are passed to the carry propagate adder, because carry propagate adder add two values and provide the final sum. And in this example, it never give any carry out. That's why it produce 7 bit of sum. This sum is the final product of the multiplication. So this is the process to implement arithmetic pipeline for fixed point multiplication of 4-bit integer using only carry save adder and carry propagate adder. The same way, you can implement an arithmetic pipeline for fixed point multiplication of 8-bit integers.